What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another vlog. Like, I noticed I haven't done a vlog in quite a while. I think since like December. So I wanted to vlog this trip. I'm going to Orlando with another couple, and we're going to Islands of Adventure tomorrow. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. So, you know, stay tuned. Right now I'm cleaning the house because I hate to leave a house messy before I go on like a small little trip or whatever. So I'm just trying to tidy the house up before I am already packed. So I'm just trying to like make sure everything's put away. So that way when you come back home, like you're not worried about like cleaning, you know? So like we're coming back on a Monday. So I already got to get prepared for the work week. So I got to make sure that everything's clean. That way my mind is clear when I get home and organized, and I know what I need to do. So, all right, let's just jump right in. Let me be a woman. All right, so we're about done. I'm just heating up some food. We ordered some Haitian food yesterday, and if you know, you know, we don't let that shit go, you know, past 24 hours. So I'm heating that up so that way we can save money too, because I'm not trying to spend all this money, go grab something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Just eat what you have in the house, and then, you know, we get on the road and then we get there. So when we get there, I'm gonna holler back at y'all. My girl Ariel with me. Big B.
Big B.
And my boo. Wait. Sir? So we drove past these wildflowers, which we thought was so beautiful. So this is what you're seeing right now, is like these beautiful like yellow, red, pink flowers alongside of the turnpike. What hotel? Okay, take this off. Okay, it's nice. The view here was so breathtaking. It was so nice and peaceful there, like as you guys can see, and they had like a nature park out in the back, but it was extremely peaceful and beautiful. All right, so we in our hotel room. It's the bathroom. Okay. What's in here? Oh, that's the closet. Look at our bed. The bed is so cute. That's a small little window. We don't really got a view, but it's all good. Okay. Ooh. Overall, cute, I like. Now we are just arriving at the clear kayak tour, which was awesome. The views were breathtaking. Babe?
Yeah, we got you.
We got you. What area?
Small boat out there.
It's so peaceful out here. I'm like, that's why I love hanging out with this other couple of ours, because they be on the same thing we be on. Peace. It's a place you come to and just relax. Alright, so right now we just, we just chilling. Sun's hot right now, but it's still nice. You know, just chilling in the water. It's a little wavy because everybody going through with a speedboat. So, I'm ready to get out this boat. Get out this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm trying to get my ass hurt. So.
Beautiful scenery.
Huh?
What I said? I take 15 minutes that way? Don't get me wrong, y'all. I love a little sunset, but
You know what I'm saying? We hungry.
I'm hungry right now.
We may be your first one to go.
You say about 10, 15 minutes that way? I got GPS. You ain't got to tell me.
All right, we almost there. Oh my God, man. We are almost there. My arms hurt. Almost there, y'all. Oh shit. We made it. Let's go. 10 in tacos. Alright, so we're at 10 in tacos. We've been here before, but not this location. So they got some of the best tacos. I'll show you guys when we get our food. Oh, did they bring it to us? Alright, so we're back from eating tacos. I didn't get to show you guys because we were hungry. We were so hungry. So I didn't get to show y'all, but I am so full and stuffed. So we about to go shower and shower, because listen, I feel so dirty right now. I'll catch you guys in my next video. I'm sure I ain't dropped nothing. Alright, you guys, we is back. Well, we went looking for like a bar to have like a drink and stuff. Everything closed at 10, which was so weird. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know, I live more so in South Florida, but in Central Florida, here in Orlando and near Winter Park, everything closed at 10. So we went looking for like a little bar area, something that closed at 11. We found one. I had 2 margaritas. So now I am tired. We're gonna go to sleep because tomorrow morning we're gonna go to Islands of Adventure. So I'll catch you guys in the morning because I'll be vlogging that too. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna bring my camera. I'll catch you guys in the morning. There we go. We're on the way to, where are we going?
Waffle House. Gotta eat.
It's a must every time we come down here. We don't have a Waffle House down South Florida. Well, at least not close to us. So after Waffle House, we'll be heading to Islands of Adventure. I'm excited. Alright, we done made it to Islands of Adventure. We in line.
Remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items except the park ticket in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any.
got on 2 rides and the wait time's like
60 minutes plus.
60 minutes plus. And then the fast pass is $300 each. $350 each. And it's 4 of us. Nah, ain't even worth it. So we had to get out of this bitch. Well, what's the City Walk? Catch y'all later. So we going into City Walk. We hungry. Got on 2 rides. That fuck it, it's too hot out here. I just hell out here. Alright, so that is a wrap. We're going to go eat. And I ain't mad at that because I am starving. It is hot. It's like what, 90 degrees out here? The humidity gotta be like 60%. So, and my feet hurt. I'm about to develop some cankles. So, I'll catch you guys at the restaurant. Come on now, put the seat up for her. Right. So we getting the tableside volcano stone. We're gonna have this man right here cook
the MVP.
He the real chef,
day,
yeah.
Apparently.
Yep. The real chef.
It's because I'm a chef.
Nope. Thank you.
Let it sit for a second then.
How was your food?
By the hotel, I told you.
All right, we is back in the hotel. I am so tired. We tired. Anyway, we just chilling. I'm gonna jump in the shower, which I shouldn't even be laying in this bed. I'm gonna jump in the shower, and then me and my boo, we finna go downstairs to the bar and do what we do. You know what I'm saying? Get a little razzle dazzle in our system. So I'm gonna let y'all in a few. But it was nice. We went to a Japanese restaurant and we cooked our own little food. It was alright, you know what I'm saying? We were still a little hungry. And we left Island of Adventure because it was too hot and the wait was too long. We didn't even get to Universal. You finna come shower, boo? You can come shower. But I'm gonna catch you guys. Good morning. I just got up and I slept so good. I got a full 8 hours, which is so rare these days. And I felt good. So this morning, my husband went for a run. I should really go out there and enjoy a cup of coffee or something. But once everybody is up and ready, we're gonna go to the Waffle House again because we love the Waffle House. And then we're going to the outlets, because who doesn't like shopping? And then after that, we're gonna head home. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna go downstairs and enjoy a cup of coffee. I might just go to Starbucks. I don't know if I'm gonna walk that far, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the scenery. So as we wait for our friends to finish getting ready, we're on a trail.
Yep.
Walking on a trail, and my husband said he's seen gators, so I'm curious. As long as we live in Florida, you never get tired of seeing alligators. I ain't gonna lie to you. So, take you guys on the trail with us.
You see it?
I don't know. I don't think it'll zoom that many.
It's right
it's
there.
Like right there.
Yeah. To the right. Yeah. Yeah, it was two of them. The smaller one, the bigger one, and then where that trail is right there.
Yeah.
You walk through that pathway, and then it's no.
All right, so I got to see gators, but you know, just for a short while. You know, you don't want to hang out too long. You don't know what they think, and they may jump out at you. One thing about Florida is unpredictable. Gators are unpredictable. The weather's unpredictable. So I don't want to be outside for a good 3 minutes. Then I'm done. I got my scenery checking. Whew. Alright, so we are finally back in our city. It was a phenomenal weekend. We're now heading to his grandma's house to get some food. She made Easter dinner yesterday, so we're getting our plate today. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog, because I didn't really record as much. I'll do like maybe voiceovers on videos that I have recorded or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will link everything that I possibly have mentioned in the description. I'll tag everyone that was with us. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman.